Hello, what is your name?
Hello, sir, mom. I'm si Flores Saavedra, 39 years old.
What is your religion?
I'm Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes, married.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I got 2 kids.
How old are they?
A girl, 17 years old, and my son is 13 years old.
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
I'm working here for 4 years and 2 months.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
I don't have.
Okay, so how long have you been working with your current employer?
I'm working with my current employers for 2 months.
Okay, so where's your employer living in?
She's living in TST East,
Okay, how many square feet of your employer's house?
1,000.
How many family members there?
4 families,
Okay, how many children?
2 children.
How old are they?
The daughter is 7 years old and the son is 2.5.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
In the morning, I woke up at 6:45 and then prepare the breakfast for the kid, and then I need to wake up the daughter for 7:05, and then she needs to take a breakfast. At around 7:30, I need to send her into her school bus, and then go back home and doing some household. At around 11:30, I need to wake up the son because he need to go to school also and prepare the breakfast for my madam and the son. And then I need to send him in school, going back home at around 4 o'clock and then preparing for the dinner.
Okay, and then? So what time you cook for the dinner?
Usually, I need to prepare the foods before 6:45 because the kid need to sleep early.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
Usually, I finish at past 9.
Okay, thank you so much.